In this video I'm going to show you guys how to take a screenshot on PC or laptop on Windows 10. First of all, open your browser and search for Chrome Web Store right here. Open it up and search for lightshot and click on it. Then click on add to Chrome, click add extension, and it's right here. And if you want to use it, for example, then click on this icon right here, and it says take a screenshot. Click on it, select the area you want. So I want to screenshot this, for example. Do this, and then you can either save it, copy it, or immediately print it or share it maybe, but usually you want to save it. So click on the save icon and just call it something like this. Click on save, and then you've taken a screenshot. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and let me know in the comments if it worked, and I would appreciate that. Bye.
If this video helped you out, please consider subscribing to my channel to help me grow the largest how-to channel on YouTube. I appreciate it.